So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a pattern background to a video here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up, first thing you have to do is get into a project. So for this project, I actually just have a black video just playing in the background for demonstration purposes. Now if you wanted to add a pattern background to this, it's pretty straightforward. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to split this clip and add a pattern background in the middle of it. Well, it's pretty straightforward. Go to sort of the middle left hand side of your screen, press on the plus icon. Now for me, the background screen opens up because I previously added a background in a previous video. But if you go ahead and press on back in the top left, a whole bunch of different options here. Simply put, just go ahead to where it says backgrounds right here, press on that. Now to add a pattern background, go to the bottom here to where it says patterns, and then select whatever pattern you want. So if you wanted to do sort of this white and red background right here, press on that, then press on the plus icon. And there you go. You have now added a pattern background to your video here in iMovie. Pretty straightforward. I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.